Hey, good morning guys. How are we doing today? Got another great shave video for you. So today's video is going to be a new series. We're going to be starting Sunday shaves. It's just the way that my schedule works out. It's the best way and easiest way for me to do it. So we're going to knock that out. If you do hear some noise in the background, I've got the little one back behind me. So just keep that in mind. Our razor for today, of course we're going to be going with the Gem. This is the Pushbutton. Brush is going to be a Wilkinson sword brush, and then our soap for today, I recently did an order from Stirling, and they're great about including samples. So they have included a sample of Dunshire. That's what we're going to be using for our soap today. So the way I do this, probably a little bit different than everybody else, but I get a little bit off the puck like that. Just put it right down inside the bowl, smash it down. There we go. Got our brush soaking, and we'll go ahead and begin. Hope you're having a great day. Hope your Sunday has turned out well for you. Had a good day at work yesterday. Just off with the kids and the missus today, so it's gonna be a good day. All right, we've used the excess water on our face. Just bringing out the brush. All right, so as you can see here, we've got our soap down inside of a bowl. The way I'm going to do this is I just load straight from the bowl. All right, not trying to get a lather started in the bowl, just want to get the brush loaded here. There we go. That's good. Now we'll go right to the face with the face lather. We can always go back and reload more if we need to. Hope the lighting's okay. I'm trying a different angle here. A little bit more water, so we'll just dip the tips of the brushes in the water. There we go. It's about a day and a half, maybe 2-day growth. Again, okay, we're not looking for buttercream. We're just looking for a simple cushioning lather. Something that's gonna be slick and allow for protection. And sometimes if you gotta go back to the soap to get more of a load on, that's all right. There we go. All right, that's good enough for me. It's good enough for government work, and it should be good enough for you. Okay. Razor, straight into the water. We'll begin. Now, on these Gem razors, okay, you want to run these as flat to the face as possible. Okay, you don't want to use them like a garden hoe, like you're getting weeds out of the garden. You just want to run them flat on the face. These push button razors are sometimes maligned as not being very aggressive. That's not really the case. Okay. Good technique. Doesn't matter what you're using, you can get a good shave out of it. Now, would it be a BBS every single time? Maybe not. But is BBS shave always the best shave? Think about that. And one of the things that will help your shave even more is knowing your growth, knowing how it grows on your face, knowing which angle to attack it from. That's going to make a lot of difference. knowing where to get little bit more aggressive with your razor, know where to back off just a little bit. Knowing how to adjust at angle if you need to on the areas that are giving you trouble or you're getting irritation or something like that on. Alright, not a bad first pass. I'm going to take this moment to show you how the push button operates. So it's very simple. It's a push button. So you push it, obviously, and it opens. And then you take your blade, put your blade in, make sure it's right up against the blade stops, push a button, and it closes. Hence the name Push Button. Marketing geniuses, I'm telling you. Alright, back for round 2 now. Do some more lather to the face here. Dunshire is a good soap. Anything pretty much from Stirling is going to be a good soap. Scent does not necessarily predict performance. However, if I can get a good scent with a good soap, I'm happy. I do need to reload this. I didn't get quite enough of a load the very first time. There we go. Got my soap cut and got my brushing on. There we go. That's better. Alright. There we go. Still, like I said, still getting used to this soap, so it's still a matter of figuring out how much I need to load it at first. Alright. There we go. That's better right there. This cheap little Wilkinson sword brush does a very good job. I don't care what anybody says about it. Is it the same performance as an Omega or something like that? Probably not. Will it last as long? Probably not. But can you get good shaves out of it? Yes. And that's really what's important, right? All right, second pass. I know, I'm almost done. Alright, so we're coming up. Kind of against, kind of across. Not really across, not really against, but kind of a modification of both of them. All right, here we're gonna start going across just because this is how I know if I want a close, comfortable shave, I need to do it. And you'll learn that as well based on your growth patterns, how things work for you, and that just takes time. I got a little nick right there, but that's okay. Come back across there, back down there. Really nothing to it, guys. Once you have a decent technique, it's super easy. And this Dunshire, like I said, it's a good soap. I like the scent. I don't really know how to describe it. I get bits of citrus, some vanilla, maybe a little bit of sandalwood. Again, I'm not real good with scents, so don't get me to describing it to you. But that's kind of what I get out of it. But of course, if it's Stirling, it's going to perform just fine. Doesn't matter what their scent is. Alright, third pass. We should have enough for a third pass, but we'll go ahead and get some more on the brush just to be safe here. There we go. Like I said, hope y'all are having a good Sunday. Hope things are going well for you. If you're working, well, I appreciate you working. If you're at home, spend time with the family or friends, that's always important as well. So, there we go. And this Wilkinson sword, yeah, it loses a few bristles here and there, but overall, it's not a bad little brush. I like it. Especially the handle design. I think the handle design is really interesting, which is honestly one of the reasons that I bought it. As you can see, it's as simple as that. We have a very good leather. All right, third pass, here we go. All right, so third pass, pretty much just gonna be a cleanup pass. Take care of any of the stragglers that we missed a few minutes ago. Real super light pressure, okay. Not pushing down much. Come across right here again, because we can. Get the corners. Come up a little bit right here. There we go. We'll call that good. Let me get my mug cleaned up and I'll be right back. All right, aftershave for today. My favorite, Stetson Fresh. I've got pretty much all three of the Stetsons, well, even some of the black. But to me, Stetson Fresh is my favorite. All right, so there you have it. As you can see, the push button works well. It's a great razor to use, and shouldn't be afraid of it. If you like these kind of razors, you know, those, even the featherweights, stuff like that, come on over and join us at Toast. That's the original safety 3, number 3, like 3.com. We look forward to seeing you over there, and until next time, take care and have a great day.